A My Holiday Adventure. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a curious and energetic little girl named Lily. Lily was so excited because her school holidays had just begun, and she couldn't wait to have the best holiday ever. On the first day of her holiday, Lily woke up with a big smile on her face. She jumped out of bed and ran downstairs to find her parents in the kitchen. "Good morning, Mom and Dad. It's my holiday, and I want to have the most amazing time ever," Lily exclaimed. Her parents smiled and handed her a colorful map. "We have a surprise for you, Lily. Your holiday adventure begins today." Lily looked at the map with wide-eyed excitement. It showed a magical land filled with forests, rivers, and mountains. The map led to a special place called Rainbow Valley. With her map in hand, Lily packed a little backpack with snacks, a water bottle, and her favorite teddy bear, Mr. Snuggles. She waved goodbye to her parents and set off on her holiday adventure. As Lily followed the map, she encountered friendly animals who helped her along the way. A chatty squirrel guided her through the Enchanted Forest, and a wise owl shared stories about the stars in the Night Sky Meadow. After a day of exploring, Lily arrived at Rainbow Valley. It was a breathtaking sight, a valley filled with colorful flowers, sparkling streams, and a rainbow that stretched across the sky. Lily danced and twirled in the meadow, feeling the joy of her holiday adventure. Suddenly, a group of playful butterflies appeared and invited her to join their dance. Lily giggled as she twirled around with her new butterfly friends. In the heart of Rainbow Valley, Lily discovered a magical wishing well. The well granted one special wish to anyone who threw a shiny pebble into its waters. Lily closed her eyes, made a wish, and tossed her pebble into the well. To her surprise, a friendly dragon named Sparkle emerged from the well. Sparkle had a sparkling golden mane and shimmering scales. The dragon took Lily on a magical ride through the sky, showing her the wonders of Rainbow Valley from above. As the sun began to set, Lily knew it was time to go home. She thanked Sparkle for the incredible adventure and followed the map back to her town. When she arrived home, Lily couldn't stop talking about her holiday adventure. She told her parents about the Enchanted Forest, the Night Sky Meadow, and, of course, Rainbow Valley. As Lily snuggled into bed that night, she realized that her holiday adventure was the best she had ever had. With a heart full of joy and dreams of magical lands, Lily fell asleep, excited about the next adventure her holidays would bring. And so, every night during her holiday, Lily dreamt of new and exciting adventures, knowing that the magic of imagination could turn an ordinary day into an extraordinary one. And that, my friends, is the tale of Lily's unforgettable holiday adventure.